If we have to listen to a name in each and every sentence, it becomes a little boring, isn't it? Namaste everyone, welcome to the Spoken Hindi classes with BSN Academy of Learning. Today we will see how to use two basic pronouns in Hindi, I and you. Okay? We all know that nouns are names of a place, person or thing. Now if we keep repeating one particular name in each and every sentence we form, it is not only awkward for the narrator but also very boring to the audience. So what do? We replace it with pronouns. Okay. So pronouns are there to make the sentence look a little bit more beautiful and simpler. For example, Anuj is a boy. Anuj goes to school. Anuj likes to eat mangoes. So Anuj is being repeated here again and again. And that's not very comfortable. So what do? We replace it with a pronoun, an appropriate pronoun, and that is he. Anuj is a boy. He goes to school. He likes to eat mangoes a lot. So that has become a little bit more clearer. So what are the English pronouns? I, you, he, she, we, they. Alright? In Hindi, pronouns are known as Sarvanam. So, I has a Sarvanam called main. If we have to speak about ourselves in Hindi, we use the word main. Now, main can be used by both females and males. There's one bonus tip, that is, in Hindi, there is no neutral gender. All the nouns either are masculine in nature or feminine. Okay? So now we have to only deal with two types of gender in Hindi. So now, when main can be used by both females and males, how do we get to know whether we are talking about a male or a female? In Hindi, along with the pronouns, the verb essentially changes. For example, if we have to say I am going home, we would say मैं घर जा रहा हूँ. If that's a female saying, she would say मैं घर जा रही हूँ. So now we know in Hindi the pronouns looked same, but the verb changed to let us know that it's a female or a male being talked about. You. You has got three counterparts in Hindi. Tu, tum and aap. Tu is generally used where you have to show deep familiarity, quite closeness, or else you are addressing someone who is very comfortable with you. They could be a best friends or a younger child or maybe a pet. Now how do you say that? तू कहाँ जा रहा है? Where are you going? You can say this to your friend. तू कहाँ जा रहा है? Where are you going? और तू कहाँ जा रही है? Where are you going? Again for females. तू कितना प्यारा है? How cute you are. Or you are so cute. तू बहुत अच्छा गाता है. या तू बहुत अच्छा गाती है. You sing very well. For children, generally nowadays we use aap to let them know or teach them how to use this word aap, but if you have to show your affection, you can always use. Tu should not be used with elders or strangers or anybody who is superior to you in position. For example, tu kaisa hai sir? You can use aap kaise hain sir? Tum is generally casual, polite and friendly. Generally used with people of your own age, maybe your classmates or friends in casual. How are you? तुम कैसे हो? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? और where are you going? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? How are you and where are you going? तुम कैसे हो? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? You can use it with students as well as young adults. Did you finish your work? तुमने अपना काम खत्म किया? Do not use तुम for elders and strangers. तुम कैसे हो? Sounds a little unpleasant when you're addressing a senior. आप कैसे हैं? Is how we address them. The third one, आप. You can also be seen as respectful way of dealing with you is आप. Aap is generally considered appropriate to be used when we are addressing someone who is elder to us, senior to us in social positions, or even the younger lots nowadays because we are teaching them, you know. So aap can be spoken with someone, used with, to address someone whom we are meeting for the first time, or we are in a professional setting. For example, how are you? Aap kaise ho? How was your day? आपका दिन कैसा रहा? Did you eat your food? आपने खाना खाया? You speak very well. आप बहुत अच्छा बोलते हो. आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं please? Would you please help me? That's it for today, my dear friends. I hope I've made it clear that how you can use I and you in Hindi in different occasions and for different people. Okay. Till the next time where we will discuss the later part of the pronouns. It's bye. It's Bindu signing off from BSN Academy of Learning. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.